All right, it's day 2. We've been traveling. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, and we stopped at Hayes, Kansas, which we stopped here before at a Goodwill. So I'm gonna go and see if I can get any good things. I have limited space, so let's see what happens. I had a great haul. I had a good time making ATCs on the ride. We saw so many beautiful places as we drove, and this is an interesting fact. This is one of those windmill fans. Look at how large and massive they are. It's amazing how they transport them to the different locations. It was really impressive. Okay, gotta capture. This is beautiful. This one is so much brighter. I love the floors. Look at that Sonic. There's a coffee place right there. There's a Love's. Ari, there's a Love's. That's a Love's. There's a QT right next to us.
No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, good things coming our way. Waiting on the day when we got nothing to say, when there's no one to blame. I'm not letting it fade, so don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me. So keep on going. We got good things coming our way. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days. Daydreamer, kidnap me,